Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you guys, I'm super excited to be filming this video because I am doing a makeup swap video, which I have never done on my channel. And you guys know back in the day, makeup swaps was really huge on YouTube and no one does it anymore. So my friend Andrea and I decided to do a makeup swap video. It is pretty much a full face of drugstore makeup. And it's going to be a two-part video. The first video is of course the unboxing video, and the second video is going to be us applying the makeup that we purchased for each other. And I'm so excited, like it literally feels like Christmas. Like I'm just gonna sit here and just unbox some Christmas gifts. So excited, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I had so much fun like buying the makeup, and it was also kind of like difficult because me and her, we love drugstore makeup, and I kind of feel like, okay, what does she have that she hasn't tried before? So it was kind of like a scavenger hunt. So I did get her some things that I have tried, and then I also got her some stuff that I haven't even tried, and I think she haven't even tried it either. So it's going to be pretty excited and fun to pretty much see how we create these makeup looks. So if you guys want to see what's in my box, then of course just keep watching. All right, so again, here is the box, and I'm super excited because I don't know what's in here. So let's go ahead and open up the box. All right, so when you open up the box, here is what the inside looks like. It is so freaking pretty with the little like paper mache in here. So let's go ahead and take this out. I'm just gonna sit it back here for now. Just gonna sit that back there, and it actually matches like my pink decor. Like I think that's really cute. All right, so starting off, I see lots of goodies. All right, so the first thing that I see is going to be by Profusion. It's the Mixed Metals Eyes and Lip palette. You do get a 9-shade eyeshadow palette. You get a matte lip liner, a metal matte lip cream, and a blended eyeshadow brush. So here it is. And you guys know I love Profusion. I just love their products. They're super affordable, and I actually have this palette already. So I'm super excited to be getting it again because you guys know I rave about this product on my channel all the time. So here is the inside of the palette. As you can see, it's a really pretty like warm tone eyeshadow palette. They're super pigmented, and then you also get the lip cream, and then you get the eyeshadow brush. This eyeshadow brush is actually really good, and then you also get the lip liner. So super excited about this, and I am happy to have it in my collection again because I do love it a lot. All right, next thing is going to be by Maybelline. It's the Master Prime. It's a face primer. It's the one that says hydrate and smooth, and here is what it looks like. You guys know I have dry skin. If you don't know, I do have dry skin, so I'm really happy to have a hydrating primer in my collection. And the funny thing was, she texted me and she asked me, aren't you like dry? And I'm like, yeah. So now I know why. So yes, she did get me the hydrating primer by Maybelline, so cannot wait to use this. My favorite is going to be the one by elf, which I'm actually out of, so I'm happy to have a new primer in my collection. All right, next thing we have is going to be by CoverGirl. It's their Easy Breezy Brow Microfine and Define Pencil, and I have it in soft brown and rich brown. So here is going to be the pencil. She got me 2 different colors, and you guys know I love the one by L'Oreal. It's the Brow Stylist Definer. I just think it's pretty much like holy grail status, so I cannot wait to try the one by CoverGirl. And it actually looked pretty promising from the picture down here. It looks pretty promising, so cannot wait to try these 2 out. So thank you for the brow pencils, girl. Really appreciate it. All right, I see by Collab is going to be their foundation. This one is in a color called Tawny, and I wanted to try this brand out when I first seen Raven Elise talk about it, because I know she collabed with them to help create like the products. So I cannot wait to try this foundation out, and I think she might actually have gotten my color correct. So that was honestly the hardest part, was trying to like get each other's foundation shades. So this looks pretty promising, so cannot wait to try this product. And then next thing I have is going to be by L'Oreal. You guys, I wanted to try these out so bad, and the funny thing was, like, when I was trying to buy like her stuff. I was also kind of like shopping for me too, and I could not find the new products. Like, I could not find it, so I'm so happy to have this in my collection. It's going to be the new L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick. It's their new foundation. I have it in the color called Cocoa and Honey. So she did get me 2 colors just in case the other one doesn't work, and I feel like looking at it, I think Honey might work, but of course when it's time to film the video, I will decide which foundation to use, and probably gonna be this one. But yes, I did get these 2 foundation sticks, which I'm so happy about. All right, and then moving on, by L'Oreal, I did get the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. It's called Mystic Black, number 205, and I have wanted to try their mascara out for the longest, but I'm the kind of person where I don't buy every new mascara that comes out. Even though I may want to try it, I don't purchase it. So I am so happy to have it in my collection, and I cannot wait to see how it performs. You guys know I love affordable products, so cannot wait for that one. Next product is going to be by Rimmel. It's the Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder. I have never tried anything by them in terms of like actual face products besides their contour kit, the one with the collab with Kate. You guys know I talk about it all the time, so I haven't tried anything else besides that, and of course the lip products. So super excited about this. She did get it in a color called Transparent, so happy to try this out, and I'm curious to see if it's going to have flashback or not, and how mattifying it's going to be since I have dry skin. So I'm very curious about this one. All right, next one is going to be by NYX. Is their finishing powder. Is the No Filter finishing powder in the color Deep Golden. I haven't tried this at all either, and I wanted to try it when it came out, but I don't really gravitate towards like face powders a lot. I tend to just stick to like what I know, so I cannot wait to try this out, and super excited for this one, like super excited. So yay, we have that one. All right, next product is going to be by Collab. It's their Palette Pro eyeshadow palette, and funny thing was, when this came out, I texted her, it was like a couple months ago, and I was like, are you gonna get this palette? And you know, she was like, yeah. And I wanted to get it, but I just never went ahead and bought it for myself, and I have it in my collection. And you guys know I'm happy because it's a warm tone eyeshadow palette. I just love those kind of eyeshadows, and I'm so freaking happy to have it in my collection. Like these colors right here, girl. So very excited about this eyeshadow palette. And then I also have by Milani, is going to be their Baked Blush in Red Vino. Oh my god, you guys, this right here has me so freaking excited, because I have always wanted to try Red Vino, and I cannot find it. And for the longest time I thought they probably like discontinued it, because I have Luminoso and I just could not find this product at all. So girl, you just made me a very happy person, because I always wanted to try this one out, and I just think it's the most prettiest blush. It's like a reddish golden kind of like blush, and girl, you just made me a very happy person. So thank you so much for this product. Like, so excited. All right, next thing is going to be by L'Oreal. It's their Infallible Pro Last Waterproof Eyeliner. She got it in black and brown, and here's what it looks like. So it's their eyeliner in black and brown, and I love the L'Oreal Silkissime eye pencils. I'm not sure if they're still current or discontinued, but you can actually find them at Marshall's. So I'm not sure if these like replace the Silkissimes or not, but cannot wait to try these out to kind of see if it's like the same formula or just consistency, and just see how it works. So happy about these. All right, next thing I see is highlighters. You guys know I'm a sucker for a highlighter, and I actually have, I think it's 2. Let's see. Yes, it's 2 in here. This is going to be by Maybelline. It's the Master Chrome metallic highlighter in Molten Peach. And then I have the L'Oreal Paris Crushed Foil metallic highlighter in Gilded Gold. Oh my god. First of all, L'Oreal one. When she featured this in her drugstore makeup haul, I was like, I need to find this highlighter, because I thought it was so freaking pretty, and I went searching high and low to find it. Could not find it, and I am so, y'all, I'm so happy right now. I actually want to swatch it because it looks so freaking pretty. Let's swatch it. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Oh my, oh my God, you guys. Do you see that? Oh my God. Girl, thank you very much for that product. I am so excited, you guys. And then the one by Maybelline, I do have the one called Molten Gold, and I know they came out with, of course, like more colors, but I never bought the other colors, so I'm so happy to try this one out. Again, it's called Molten Peach, and I'm curious to see how it's going to look against my skin tone. Here is Molten Peach. It's a really pretty, like, peachy kind of color. And here is that one. That is so pretty. Oh my God, that is so pretty. So I cannot wait to just actually put it on my face and just kind of see what it looks like. All right, moving back into the box by e.l.f. I have their Pore Refining Primer Mask. Here's what it looks like. I have been seeing these pop up all over the place. I know Sephora have their new primer mask. So very excited to try this product out and just kind of like prime my face with it and see how it actually works. So I do have this product. All right, and then by L'Oreal, I have the Voluminous Lash Paradise Liquid Eyeliner. And I haven't tried a new liquid eyeliner in so long. I've been using my e.l.f. one for the longest. So I'm very happy to try this product out. It's called Black number 115. So we shall see. And I haven't done a wing in God knows how long. So this should be very funny to watch. All right, next thing is going to be by Wet n Wild. Is their Photo Focus Concealer in the color called Dark Cocoa. I already have this concealer. I don't have this color though, so I'm very curious to see how this color looks on me. Then I also have the one by Milani. Is the Retouch and Erase Concealer, and I also have this one, and I have it in the color called Honey, which is actually the color that I actually own in my collection. Y'all, this freaking concealer is amazing. It is like a full coverage concealer, so I do like it a lot, and I can definitely tell you these two products I love, and they're really good affordable concealers. If you haven't tried it, get your hands on it. All right, next thing is going to be by e.l.f. It is their Sunkissed Glow Bronzer in the color Deep. Here is their bronzer, and this actually looks dark enough to work against my skin tone, so very excited to try this one out. And then I also have by CoverGirl is their Chocoholic Bronzer, and it is like a chocolate scent. And here is the product. I do have their highlighter like this. I want to say, I forgot what color it's called, but I cannot wait to try this out. This looks like it has shimmer in it, so I might use it as a highlighter. It just depends when I actually like play with it to see how it looks. But yeah, super excited about this one as well. All right, and then I see some lip products in here. Let me go ahead and pop these open, and then we'll just, I guess, swatch them. So give me 1 second. All right, you guys, so I opened up a few, not all, because there's quite a few lip products in here. The first one is going to be by Hard Candy. It's their Cashmere Silk Demi Matte Cream Lip Color in the color called Biscotti. This color is so freaking pretty. It's almost like a terracotta orange brownish kind of color. It's so pretty. I love the top like this, and I actually have a few of their lip products, so this one I'm very happy to add to my collection. And ooh, that's really pretty. All right, here is what this one looks like. So again, a really pretty like terracotta orange kind of color. So again, it's very pretty, and it's by Hard Candy. And the next one is going to be by Hard Candy. Again, it's their Cashmere Silk Demi Matte Lip Color in the color called Gelato, which is a really pretty like mauvey purple color. And if you are a OG subscriber of mine, so you know I love like any kind of purple lip color. Is just my preference for my skin tone. So here is the swatch. This is really pretty. They almost look kind of sheer, so you might have to build up the intensity, but it's so pretty. And that is it right here. All right, next one is going to be by NYX. Is the Super Clicky Matte Lipstick in the color called Conform. I actually have this one already, and I do have it on my lips right now as we speak. So as you guys can tell, I love this lip color. Such a really pretty color. It's more of like a grayish, purplish kind of color, and I think it's so flattering for women of color. If you haven't tried it, get your hands on it. Again, I have it on my lips right now. I did top it off with a lip gloss, but it is a matte finish. Super comfortable to wear, and again, it's the NYX Super Clicky Matte Lipstick in the color called Conform. So thank you, girl, for another one. I appreciate it because I love that lip color a lot. And I actually bought it because I watched one of her videos and she had it on her lips, and I was like, girl, what's on your lips? And she told me what it was, so I went out and bought it, and thank you for another one. I appreciate it. All right, next product is going to be by Revlon. I actually have two of the lip products. I'm not going to swatch these, but it's going to be the Plumpin' Lip Cream in the color called Almond Suede, and then we have Spice Berry, which is these really pretty colors. This one looks more like a nudish brownish color, and this one looks more of like a pinky purple color. So here is the packaging for those. So again, really pretty. And then I have three more lip products in front of me. I have by L'Oreal is their Crush Full Metallic Lip Gloss. Y'all, look at this. That is so freaking pretty. Oh my god. That is going to be gorgeous topped over another lip color or just worn by itself. So freaking pretty. Can you guys see that? Girl, thank you very much. Next we have by L'Oreal is going to be the Infallible Pro Gloss in the color called Dolce de Leche. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Like, why can't my CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, Target have the new stuff? Like, why? I don't understand. Like, look at this freaking gloss. That is so, oh my god, I need to swatch this. It is so cute. And you guys know I love glitter glosses. It's just what I'm loving for the moment. And this, I cannot wait to wear. It is kind of sheer, but it's so pretty. Like, can you guys see that right there? Oh my god. That is, I'm so excited. And then the last one is going to be by NYX. It's their Lingerie Glitter Lip Gloss. It's in a color called Honeymoon. This one and the L'Oreal one, they're so pretty. Oh my god. Here is the one by NYX. Really pretty color. And then let me swatch this one also. Oh my god. It has like flexes of like green and like orange in there. It is so beautiful. And here is it right here on my hand. So pretty. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much my box, and I am so excited about all these new products. I cannot wait to do this full face of just all this goodness in front of me. And Andrea, thank you so much. I had so much fun collabing with you in this video, and I really do appreciate it. And I hope you guys enjoy what she got me. Make sure you guys go to her channel to see what I got her, and make sure you guys please thumbs up, rate, comment, subscribe to her channel and my channel as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, again, please rate, comment, and subscribe to her and myself, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.